how to make and create iOS, iPhone icons on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to create your own icons, go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click on create a design right here and search for iOS. Click on iOS icon and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many icons, as you can see. Choose any of these. For example, let's say this one. It looks so professional and good. As you can see, I like those designs, and yeah, and you can download from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.